guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, as you guys already know, it's going to be episode 4 of the self-care series, and it's nothing but body care. So if you haven't watched the self-care series I've been making past couple of weeks, please make sure you're going to watch it after this video. If you are interested to know my body care routine, then please keep on watching. If you're someone new to my channel and looking at this face for the first time, please make sure that you hit that red subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And also, if you're interested to know more about me, you can follow me on my Instagram handle. I also have a TikTok account and I'm very active on TikTok. So if you are interested in the entertainment part of mine, then you have to follow me on my TikTok account. I have self-promoted myself enough. Let's get started with the video. So in this particular video of body care, I'm not going to cover something extraordinary here. I'm going to cover the basics which you can start doing in self-care point of view, and this is generally what I do every weekend, and now I'm doing it 3 days once. So my special body care or spa day contains just 2 DIYs, and I am using that consistently, and it has showed results for me. First one is the scrub, which is called as a body scrub or sugar scrub for your body. So it's very easy to make all these DIYs which I'm going to tell you. You just need some white sugar. You can also use brown sugar if you have. Just use something crystallized. Do not use powdered sugar. It does not exfoliate well, especially if you're using it for your body. So I would suggest you to use white crystallized sugar. So to the sugar I am adding lemon juice, half a lemon juice completely. Make sure that you remove that seeds, whereas I did not do that. I did not have time to remove it. Sorry, excuse that. And then followed by that, I'm going to add some coconut oil or any other oil you like. I generally prefer coconut oil, and I really like the smell of coconut oil. If you are someone who wants to smell good, you can go for essential oils as well. If you have any skin issue or if you want to feel refreshed, you can use a peppermint oil or tea tree oil. If you have back acne, or if you have skin irritation, you can use tea tree oil. A couple of drops. Do not go overboard with essential oils as well. If you go overboard with pure essential oils, the effects might not be that great, so make sure you use it sparingly. Here I haven't used any kind of essential oil. I really like the smell of coconut oil. The one I'm using is pure coconut oil, so it smells coconutty. I kind of like that smell. So what I generally do is, if you're someone who always likes to use soap, I would suggest you on this particular day when you're doing this, avoid using soap on your body. Once you wet your skin, apply this particular mixture in circular motion and apply gentle pressure, guys. Do not go very violent on your skin. Your skin on the body is also sensitive, and it can also get tears. So make sure that you go gently on your skin and rub it in circular motions. You can use this particular scrub everywhere. Do not use it on your face, guys. Except the face, you can use it anywhere on your body, wherever you have dry patches, or if you have dry skin, this is the perfect recipe for you, and it will make your skin glow and keeps your skin moisturized throughout the day, and even the next day you can see that moisture is there. So it's that effective, and it also removes the dead cells to a greater extent. Whatever DIYs I'm specifying here, make sure that you do a patch test. Maybe you're allergic to lemon, maybe you're allergic to any of the ingredients I put in here. So make sure that you do a patch test and try to use it. So the second DIY I'm going to tell you is for your darker parts. I am sure many of us have issues of darkness or pigmentation anywhere in your body. So you can use this particular recipe to brighten and lighten that area. And, by the way, I know this recipe long time ago, and this particular recipe you can use every day so that you will get maximum results. I am a lazy girl and I do not do it every day. But this quarantine I'm trying to stick to the routine, and I'm going to try to do this every day. Do not use this recipe on your face. It's not gonna work for you. It's gonna make it worse. So yeah, for this DIY you need baking soda. As you can see in the video, I have taken the amount of baking soda I need. It depends, because I have certain areas which are darker and I might need more, so accordingly you have to do the quantity check. And then on to the baking soda I'm adding few drops of lemon juice. Again I'm adding just few drops, not much. Followed by I'm also adding a pinch of turmeric. This is organic turmeric. Make sure the turmeric you're adding is organic and not the one which you use for cooking. I'm going to add a bit of coconut oil here. For this particular recipe, make sure you stick on to the recipe properly. Do not avoid adding coconut oil. Do not add any other oil onto it. Coconut oil is a must for this recipe. This helps to soothe your skin, so make sure you add extra virgin coconut oil or pure coconut oil. First of all, our skin absorbs oil maximum, so if your oil has any harmful chemicals, it's not going to give proper benefits for you. Instead it's going to be very harmful for your skin. So make sure whatever oil, coconut oil or any oil you're using, does not have any chemicals or mineral oil in it. Make sure that it's not there. Just use the purest form of these oils so that you get the maximum benefit. Before I get out of the shower, I'm going to pat dry my skin and then use this particular mixture in circular motion. It will have a scrub like consistency, very fine, but so you can use this especially on your inner thighs. You can use it under your arms, elbows, wherever you have darkness, especially over here, the neck area, back of your neck. You can use in those areas. This will help you lighten your skin, especially the pigmented skin. So massage it for at least a minute. Let it be there for another minute. Just 2 minutes of work you will have. So let it rest. After that, with plain water, wash it off. Do not go with the soap or anything. Make sure you're not using this particular mixture, especially after shaving or waxing or even threading any of your areas. So it's gonna irritate your skin if you do that. So baking soda will help you not smell bad, neutralizes the smell, and it balances the pH level. So it's very good for your body when you use it in a proper way. So once you are out of shower after using these two DIY, your skin is going to be baby soft. I will guarantee you this, guys. I have already made this scrub years ago in my channel, on my channel, and yeah, it has been very effective. I've been doing this for years. So that's that. And few more tips I'm giving is, make sure you're using liquid body wash more than the soaps, because soaps are harsher when compared to the body washes. And when you're selecting a body wash, make sure it is paraben free. If you want baby soft skin, if you want your skin to not look scaly, especially if you have a dry skin, or if you do not moisturize your skin properly, you will have something like this, which your skin will appear scaly, which is not a good thing, because as time goes by your skin will start looking as if it's aged a lot. Especially I'm talking about the body here. So make sure you're moisturizing your body every single day. So if you have watched my vlog, you will know, like when whenever I take bath, once I come out of the shower, I make sure that I moisturize my body. So whenever you are using this particular DIY, you do not have to moisturize it, because you will be having enough moisturization from these two DIYs itself. The days when you are not using this DIY scrub or anything, make sure that you use a moisturizer. The one I'm using is from Vaseline. It's their Intensive Care Cocoa Glow cocoa butter variant of Vaseline. It's actually very thick, as you can see. It's a thick cream, guys. It will actually give you enough moisturization. As you can see, it's a thick cream. Reason why I like this moisturizer is it's not at all sticky. It's never sticky, and it's not gonna look greasy, because it gets absorbed immediately and it gives you that glow. Any moisturizer with cocoa butter actually suits my skin. This particular moisturizer will suit a dry skin very well. So I never use lotion alone. It's just my habit, and I always mix my lotion with some coconut oil whenever I'm applying, especially on my arms and legs, because that's where I generally get dry, very dry. So I use AC a lot, so my skin will be very dry. So to prevent that, I actually add a bit of coconut oil to the lotion and then use it, so that my skin is baby soft and I do not have to worry about flakiness on my skin. These steps are really basic for your skin to make your skin baby soft, and it is really doable, guys. Once you try these recipes, let me know down below in the comment section how it has helped you, and you can also share me the results on Instagram. You can DM me. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Only if you hit that like button, I will know that you like my videos. So make sure you do that, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, why wait, guys? Please hit that subscribe button, and see you on my next video, guys. Until then, take care. Bye.